Hello everyone, my name is Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are in Avondale today. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 12033 West Yuma Street in Avondale, Arizona.
Before heading inside this beautiful home in Avondale, let's talk about the city of Avondale.
Well, the city of Avondale started as a farm community, and now it's a major suburb of Phoenix. It was incorporated in 1946, and up to about 20 years ago, only had 30,000 people living here. Now the current census says it's 87,931 people living here.
Wow, that's almost triple. Now with all the people moving here and all this infrastructure coming in, what about the shopping? How's that?
Everything is within 5 to 10 minutes. So if you want to go to Costco or Walmart or Sam's Club, it's all within 5 to 10 minutes. There's plenty of shopping, plenty of dining, minutes away.
And you're even close to the freeways. We are in the inside, Kevin. Let's talk specs.
You are a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story with a 2-car garage. It's 2,235 square feet on a corner lot.
Perfect. And as far as the actual half bath, that's downstairs, which makes it perfect for guests.
Yep. Welcome
to the upstairs. Kevin, a lot of clients have questions about where the bedrooms are situated with a 2-story.
Okay, so on this one, you have 1 bedroom downstairs and you have the other 4 upstairs.
Great, so the one downstairs could be easily used for like a teen room or even a den area. Now, as far as laundry goes, I don't want the laundry room to be in the wrong place. Where is it at in this home?
Well, it's definitely in the right place here. It's upstairs where the majority of the bedrooms are.
Which is perfect, so you don't have to hike it all the way downstairs to collect the clothes. And then last but not least, what room are we standing in?
We're standing in the loft. So what I really love about this floor plan is you get a great room downstairs as well as a loft area upstairs. And what's cool about this particular one is it has the other bedroom right next to it, which was an option on this floor plan.
Great, so this loft feels like a second family room or even a kids area if they have kids.
Absolutely.
Welcome to your spacious backyard. Kevin, what are some of the specs here?
You're over 5,500 square foot lot, so it's a little bit larger in the neighborhood, and it's a corner lot as well. What I really like about this one is the nice green backyard.
Plenty of green, and another huge benefit, since it's a 2-story, it doesn't take up as much land. All right, Kevin, what is the easiest way to set up a showing on this house?
We make it super simple. Call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for joining us today. What's with the basketball?
Well, we cannot leave this house without shooting hoops because we are literally right across the street from the community pool as well as a basketball court.
Oh.
So let's go.
Kevin, great game. Game ball.
I feel like I really earned this one this time. You tried really hard.
Yeah.
Yep, you gave your all.
Yeah.
But once again, I dominated. You know, I've been dominating the sport for years.
Yeah.
I sold first, which means I win. That's how the game's played, right?
That's exactly how it's played. And if you guys have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.